Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Toyota Supra in Need for Speed Underground 2. To acquire this iconic car, you'll need to progress through the game's career mode, completing various races and challenges. The Supra becomes available for purchase at a specific point, so focus on advancing your reputation and unlocking new areas. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Your primary goal is to play through the main career mode. As you win races and complete events, you'll earn reputation and unlock new parts of the city. Each stage you complete brings you closer to accessing more powerful and desirable vehicles. Keep racing and upgrading your current car to stay competitive and progress efficiently. The Toyota Supra usually becomes available for purchase once you reach around stage 3 of the career mode. This involves completing a certain number of URL races and gaining sufficient reputation. Make sure to check the car lot frequently after completing major events or advancing to a new stage, as new vehicles are added periodically. After you've unlocked the Supra, head over to the car lot located on your map. Browse the available vehicles until you find the Toyota Supra. Select it, and if you have enough in-game cash, you can purchase it immediately. Congratulations, you now own one of the most sought-after cars in Need for Speed Underground 2.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.